Hi everyone, welcome. This is Caitlin. Yes, so happy to see you again. This is our valve assembly. If you're interested about, okay, please follow me. VCI anti-roll specs. This part is the logo. The Shumatt logo. If you want to print your own logo, contact us. The logo, label, the packaging bag, and so on. Yep. Customize the services. Product code F00VC01043. Application inject model number 045110047, 045110048, 045110049. QR code. Wow, the inside. 2 cans of packages. Let's talk about one of them. Wow, the inside. The shipment is like the little ice cream, mini ice cream. Let's open it. The whole side. Also, we see all the separate parts. Yep. The separate part is the valve cap with coating and to cover the letters. The valve rods, different sizes, different lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all. Yes. And 3 tips share with you. First, clean it with oil. Second, make sure the valve rod moves smoothly. Third, make sure the valve cap in the right position. Let's talk about the warranty. 6 months, yes, 6 months. Okay, that's all the product details we are showing today. Yes, any information, remember to feel free to contact us. And waiting for your news. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.